Which one is better, ConvertKit versus ActiveCampaign? Today, we will compare both ActiveCampaign and ConvertKit to see which one performs better. I'm going to show you basically everything that you need to know about these two email marketing tools, including what they are used for, the differences, the pricing, and overall which one of these tools will be better for your business. So, if you are interested in potentially picking up one of these tools for yourself, then keep watching. So the first thing that I want to discuss is, of course, the pricing, arguably the most important part of any email software. So they both have free trials, but only ConvertKit has a free plan available. Yeah, as I said, it doesn't exactly say here, but they do offer a free trial. So that is nice right there. And on ConvertKit, we have a free account and we also have a free trial. So with the free account, you can get up to 1,000 subscribers on your list. And then with the free trial, I'm not entirely sure how long this lasts for, but once again, you can see that they do offer a free trial. Since ConvertKit offers both a free trial and a free account. So if you have a smaller list, I will say that ConvertKit has the best free trial. However, onto the actual pricing. So we have the Creator and Create a Pro account on ConvertKit. You might be wondering which one to go for now. Basically, all the tools are very similar, apart from the fact that you get unlimited team members rather than one additional team member, newsletter referral system, subscriber scoring, and advanced reporting. And I don't know about you, but for me, I would go with Creator and save like what, $16 a month for not many things different. So that is what I would do. So if we just try this out and say 5,000 subscribers per month, and we do the same on ActiveCampaign, once again, we have three options this time. So we have the light plan, the plus, and professional. And what I will say here is, look, the professional has a lot of different things. And the professional version of ActiveCampaign is a lot more advanced than the pro version of ConvertKit, as you can probably see by the price. But what I will say is, if we're just looking at the basic email marketing platform where you can do everything you need, you can create and edit your emails and put them together very, very easily. You just need the light version or the most basic version of both. Now let's just turn this up and see if this remains consistent. So ConvertKit is a lot cheaper, and to be honest, you don't even get anything extra with ActiveCampaign. Yeah, ConvertKit is a lot cheaper for a pretty similar product. Now the only difference really is going to be the user interface. So if we look here in email marketing section, you can see that both use the drag and drop tool. So you choose your template, use the drag and drop tool to like bring text in, bring images in, or anything like that. And it's the same over here on ConvertKit. You choose your template and then use this drag and drop tool to edit things out and all that good stuff. So that is how you can create the emails, and then you can create your automation flows. So I don't know if you can see this, but it's basically, let me try and zoom in here. So what you can do is you can like send them down a funnel and say, for example, if they're open this email, then you send them to somewhere. If they don't open this email, then you can send it somewhere different. And what you can do is you can really target this and split your email list into different groups. So people get a very personalized email. Now you can do the exact same thing on ActiveCampaign. And that is super, super handy with both tools. As you can see here, has contact made a previous purchase? Yes, send them. If not, send them this. So that is a cool feature of both. Now the final thing that I want to touch on is the reviews. So if we come over here to Capterra, you can see ActiveCampaign is a pretty big company, like probably one of the biggest email tools out there. And yeah, this is a really, really good tool. But then ConvertKit, it is a much smaller company, and if you look at the reviews, ActiveCampaign has way more, but ConvertKit is rated better and has a higher likelihood to recommend. But the fact that ConvertKit is a lot cheaper, that is what I would recommend it. So I would personally go with ConvertKit for the simple reason that it is cheaper, and that is what I would recommend for you as well. That's it with the comparison. Hope you liked this video. Thanks.